Have you ever wondered why we have to eat vegetables? Eating vegetables is important for our health and well-being. Vegetables are packed with important nutrients such as vitamins, minerals and fiber that our bodies need to function properly. When we eat vegetables, our bodies get the vitamins and minerals they need to grow, develop and stay healthy. Vitamins and minerals help to keep our bones strong, our skin healthy and our immune system strong, which help us fight off illness and infections. Vegetables also contain fiber, which is important for digestion and can help keep us feeling full and satisfied after meals. This can help us maintain a healthy weight and prevent overeating. In addition, eating a variety of vegetables can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. So, even though vegetables may not always be the most exciting food to eat, they're an important part of healthy diet. It's important to try to eat a variety of vegetables every day to ensure that we are getting all of the important nutrients our bodies need to stay healthy. Tell me in comment section below what you'd like to know in the next 2 minutes. Until next time, take care and have a good nap.